Hey, yo, what up, Famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Ding Dong Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Yeah, yeah, me laugh to success. People, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, gas.
So good morning, vlog world. It's a new day. So it's of course it's a new vlog. That's what I say. So today on Wednesday, it's hot. We was getting some nice fall weather in New York, but now it's hot, yo. So right now, people, it's another day, another vlog. We're there with the infamous Biggs. Up. You know, long out here we on Famous. Around 45 minutes we tell Famous say, yo, we're there on way. Famous say, yo, by 1:30 I get ready.
Facts.
At what time now? Around 3 o'clock. That's how long out here we on Famous, yo. Me a dress. I coulda sleep a little bit more.
You serious?
Let me say. So no. What? I get dressed up because I want to take a picture, you know.
Nothing wrong with that.
Tell me say you want to take a picture over there, you know, so that's why, you know.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, you know what I mean, it's a new day, it's a new vlog.
Oh, you finally reached down here?
You finally reached down here, as soon as you can. Nice, I hope you start the vlog right now, because you start the vlog, you know.
Yeah, I start the vlog.
Alright.
Well, the people that know say I have to wait down here for an hour and 6 minutes.
So long?
So long, dogs.
You don't believe that?
I could have sleep for an hour and 6 minutes.
Nobody don't believe that. They might look for you right now, and they might look for me, and they might go believe me. They don't believe you. You don't believe that? Alright, see? I wonder if they're going to run you up because we're not on the mask. What did they say?
If you are vaccinated, you are allowed to dine inside the restaurant. That is a backwards, right?
Yeah. My bigs are really backwards. But it's the one you put on the mask. We stand out now.
I don't want a mask.
Bigs are driving like well. The man have run 3 masks in a car. The whole 3 of them fly out. Yeah. Right, that's what I stay and kind of hide a little bit, you know. Because I know if they see me in here without mask, I'm probably going to say something to me. I don't want to say nothing to me. Bro, no, over the side drinks. Without a door now. Out look nice. Yo! You can't see me out there too bright. Out there way too bright.
Marijuana premises.
What did they say?
You see sunrise up?
After we can't read.
We can't
Can't read either. We never see that. Nice. Nice, I wonder if in can buy liquor. People don't look for nice. In our ID. And I wonder if in can buy liquor.
They doing their job, they're supposed to ask me.
They're supposed to ask, but they now go ask because you're black.
Oh, wow.
Classic strawberry.
They want to say Mickey. See that? That's NSA guys.
Cast, man.
Cassie may go to kill off yourself in the idea and drop and sleep.
How much is the Casamigos?
We're going to sell that.
You don't got Casamigos?
No, this is a slap, you know. Right, take the whole no. Do say why, Biggs?
I got my one. The Don Julio is 14, right?
Yeah.
Me try the Don Julio.
Put up pina colada, daiquiri, lemonade.
Pina colada. Pina colada.
Oh? You bad? You taste the quoi? Taste yourself you bad? I think it's a nice little mix, you know? You know, some man if you drink out a straw. Why you never make me take a picture before you mix it up, man? You see man tell me mix up mine and then I take picture of him. Boy wicked you know. It's a big small bucket. But when bigs come back, bigs can just skip the line, you know. Oh yeah, I see that. Is it right there, so? Can you put it right there? Yeah, see that right there, so? Yeah. I'm drunk already. Definitely 100% drunk already. Your belly I go run. You feel like my belly I go run. I shouldn't make them mix it with this. So guess what guys? This boy drink off him something where drinks new him by the NEC Colada too quick. Nice drunk.
If I was drunk, could I have done that?
So no, you're not drunk then, you're nice. So right now, nice right now. Me and T-Mobile text him like well. We'll be right back. So right now we're about to get some chopped cheese. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna feel me now. Somebody get that chopped cheese right now. I don't know, laminate one of them here. Nice must be buy 12 liquor oil. Him buy whole heap liquor oil though.
15.
He probably buy out the whole of them. Nice.
15.
Nice buy out the whole of them liquor oil. So in a bag later.
Around 5 cents for one. That's all like that.
I don't know they sell them, you know. You know no more no left. Yeah, we buy chopped cheese. They never want me vlogging this though. He said no pictures. So me just love him, you know. Over one part. Bigs and nice man. Him have them burger and yeah, all I would just go buy chopped cheese because nice. And not chopped cheese nice man. Nice buy chopped cheese too. Them buy circle, me buy hero. You know what I mean? Them buy circle, me buy a foot long. Everybody knows you're supposed to get a foot long. So you see what I go on, you know. Nice mash up team already. Yo, I'm sure no what I go on. Be something in this, be things in this. The juice, you know, I see, watch it. All of that are juice. You know when you come from New York, you have no chopped cheese, you know. And then everybody chopped cheese bad. Nice, you did good. You done one side already?
Hold on.
Well, with you? No, it's bad. Bad dog.
6 hour warm run, any one of them. That it.
Big says I eat. So you're dust, you know, says I eat. Nice done already, Tura. It's done. Yo, this are one of the things. Yo, it's like you go to school for this.
Yeah, but something there. That's nice, it's good. Yeah,
Damn, come on, bro.
So river they down there, so. And we decide to go look for the river. Oh, I'm too nice, man. You want to see how your dark look like? Bigs down here, so. We are going to see if we can find the river.
Oh, man, them bite me already, dog.
The man them bite you up already? A man mosquito rush you, dog? A man mosquito never bite me before, you know? Never a day in my life. Never a day in my life a man mosquito ever bite me. Don't you so look dark and spooky, dog? I don't think we know what to do down there soon. Forward no man, tap it chatting, man. We are going like we're not brave. We're brave, man. Come on now. It's go on. You lead the way then. Yeah. This look like up on one place called Goat Hill. A Byram. You know about Swift River from Portland, yo? You know about them places? Yo, a monkey in them tree there, you know? I probably the water move something down there.
Go check it out, no?
Who we go check it out? I wouldn't hear you know. I wouldn't hear him, you know. Hear y'all know. Why? I tell you. Them are some no black people something there, you know. This are no black people thing. You know go look at what's special. One big. You there? Nice, come like you want to turn back. Man, mosquito them a bite him up. So I have to go over here. Boom, back. Look how much me drop in the water. Just where we used to them. Yo, that is a funny, you know that. Nice piece of breeze up over here. Nice piece of limb that. Broke off from up there, sir? Yo, I don't think we fit over here, sir, dog. Look at this one that come over here, sir. Breeze a blow, sir. Nice. I whisper you bring with dog. You know, look at when the limb though, them broke up down there, sir. Storm.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a